everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Sorry for not doing a second haul last week. Something happened and I just really didn't want to go couponing. I did do a bunch of other stuff, but I just felt like, I don't know, it's nice to take a break couponing. I mean, when I was on vacation, I felt like, man, I don't miss couponing. I love it, but sometimes it's nice. I think if I didn't have to do a YouTube video and share with you guys, sometimes it wouldn't be as bad because I can just go whenever I want to, but I like to keep a schedule and share with you guys what I get, so that's why. But I'm just, you know, just kind of, last week I just kind of wanted to just take a little easy break, but I think I did pretty good. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I think I did pretty good. I'm really low on ECBs now. I do have 2 cards. I just want to explain to you guys on that. Most of you guys know, but if anybody's new, I have 2 cards because I want to show you guys more deals. I'm sorry, I'm just getting over a cold. But I don't know. I haven't been getting like some very, very good CRTs lately, and I've been really low on my ECBs, the extra care bucks. So I kind of paid a lot out of pocket today because I want to start building my money again. So, and a lot of you guys probably have the same situation, you know. Some people hoard them. I used to hoard them, and then all of a sudden I'm like, and then I realized, oh, I should have paid more attention. But what I ended up getting with 1 card is I ended up getting the Purex. This was at my store for $10.99. I have never bought the biggest jar of Purex ever, so I felt pretty proud. Not many else people buy this because this thing is covered in dust. Yeah. So this was $10.99. I used that 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print off the Purex website. You guys would just pay $10.49 for this bad boy. But then you guys can get $7 back, making it $3.49. Now there's also a deal on Savings Star where I have it. If you spend $25 or more, you'll get 5. So between now and some other time, I might be able to get that bonus. But I think for $3.49 for this giant jug of 150 fluid ounces, I think that is a great deal. I just cracked my back putting that down on the ground. The other deal I did with my other card is the Persil. I love Persil. This is my favorite laundry detergent. I told my husband I got a large one. He's like, so we're keeping this one, right? I'm like, yeah. This thing, oh, I love it. I love it. Yeah, I know. So this was $15.49 at my store. I used that $4 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $11.49 for this, but then you guys will also get a $7 ECB. Now, you either can do the Persil, the Downy, or the Snuggle, I think, or the Purex. So I just did one of each with my cards. But then you guys, if you haven't submitted that receipt from Savings Star from last week, I ended up doing this week because I didn't have those coupons on me. I ended up getting that $2 back with Savings Star. So I'll get this bottle for $2.49 after Savings Star. And I think that is a great, great deal. From going for 15 bucks to $2 and something cents, that is a awesome deal. I feel like at CVS and Walgreens lately, I have been getting laundry wasted. I have never had this much laundry soap in my life. Now, it's funny on how much laundry soap I get at CVS, and I never get laundry soap CRTs. Have you guys ever gotten CRTs or get any laundry soap CRTs? I think it's kind of weird. Yeah. But I ended up getting some Tide Pods. Why not? My area didn't get the gain. The coupons I do order get the gain. So I don't know if I'll go back and do this deal with my other card because I do think this is a great deal. A lot of people like the pods because some people use more soap than what you truly need. Like, I probably use more soap than what I truly need. What happens is when you guys add a lot of soap, you wash your clothes. If you do your laundry again, and you wash your clothes without any laundry soap and there's suds everywhere, it's because you use too much soap. They only want you to use just a little bit of soap. So people use more than what you need. I don't care. That stuff you can, I have so much freaking laundry soap, I can swim in it and be fresh every single day. Yeah, I know it's weird. But I'm just saying, like, that's why they do the pods you know, so you don't use as much soap as you don't need to. But my machine doesn't do pods very well. I think my machine, you have to put it like down on the bottom. I think pods really work well with front loaders. But it says you can use both. So anyways, let me stop talking and let me explain the deal to you guys. So these were $4.94. The same thing with the Gain. We just got those Gain coupons. I had some of the Tide coupons, but somebody just sent me coupons and I forgot. I read your name, but now I forgot your name. But thank you so much for the person who sent me all those Tide coupons. I am so excited. I'm going to probably try to use every single one that I can. So thank you. I'm sorry I forgot your name. I have it sitting right at my desk upstairs, and I didn't even look at it. I looked at it last night when I got my mail, but I'm sorry. But thank you so much for the coupons. I love it when you guys send me coupons. And if you guys tell me you guys sent me coupons, I usually only check my P.O. box once a week, but if you guys tell me you're sending them, then I can have a chance to, you know, check it sooner. So just letting you guys know on that. But you guys want to use 4 of these coupons. Now the coupon limit is 2 per transaction, so what I ended up buying is I bought 2 in one transaction, and then I bought 2 more in another transaction. The cashier, she's like, oh, I want to thank you for actually following the rules, because there's some people who try to use, you know, more than the right coupon. Sometimes mistakes happens. Everybody's made mistakes, but you know, if they make it loud and clear that you can only use so many in the transaction, I try to follow it. And I like it how, you know, CVS tracks your transactions so you guys can like do separate transactions. So I ended up paying $11.76 for 4 of these, which could be an okay deal. But then you guys get $5 back in an ECB, making it $6.76 a piece, or $6.76 for all 4 of them, or $1.69 a piece, which I think for these are a great deal. I have a friend who loves Tide Pods, so she'll be super excited to find out we got her more Tide Pods. Now, the next deal I ended up doing is the Venus razors. Now, I had one CRT for $6 off of Venus, and then I had a $5 off CRT for Gillette, but it was for the same card, so I couldn't do it on the same deal, but I really wanted to do the deal for that one too, because it would have been a money maker, because I'm trying to get a lot of money makers. So these Venus razors were $8.99. I used 2 of those $3 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys would end up paying you guys also want to use a $6 off of 2 CRT. You guys would end up paying $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $10 in an ECB, making it a $4.02 money maker. So I love it. I really like Venus. Venus razors are my favorite, and you can't go wrong with that. I really like the new ones, but I have a couple of those now, so I'm trying to get these, you know, to give to people who need them. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now what I ended up doing is that huge like 10 off of 30 deal. I didn't get the whole blend coupons. I haven't been getting them lately, so I kind of figured out a different scenario. I still got them because I got a special CRT for them. So I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Maybelline mascara. At my store, these were $6.49. I used a $2 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. I also had a 3 off of 12 CRT, so I ended up getting that. I got the Maybelline eyebrow pencils. These were $4.79. I used that $2 off coupon. I also had that 3 off of 12 cosmetics. And since I had that 3 off of 12 cosmetics, I needed just to spend 78 cents more to use that 3 off of 12. So I ended up buying the Wet n Wild nail polish. I had that 50-cent off coupon. This was $1.49. So yeah, I ended up using that 57 coupon. So I just did that because I wanted to use that 3 off of 12. I also had I'm sorry. I also had a 4 off of 15 Garnier facial. So this was $8.99 and this was $6.49. So I used 2 of those $2 off facial coupons that we had. Plus I had a 4 off of 15 CRT. So I ended up using those. And then for the whole blends, I ended up getting, these were 2 for $5 or 2 for $7. I didn't have those coupons, but I had a 3 off CRT, so I got those. So if you guys add all those items together, it came to $35.25. I ended up using all those coupons plus that 10 off of 30. So I ended up paying $9.75 for all those items. But then I got $5 back for the Maybelline, and I got $5 back for the Garnier. So this ended up becoming a 25-cent moneymaker. I got all those items absolutely free, which I love hearing the word free. So yes, that was my CVS haul. I think I did pretty good. I made 3 separate transactions. With my new card, I only bought the razors and the Purex. So I came to 47 cents after I used $16 worth of ECBs. I ended up getting $17 back. So that ended up becoming a 53-cent moneymaker. With my old card, I ended up paying 88 cents. I ended up using $5 worth of ECBs back, but then I received $5 worth of ECBs back, and that came to 88 cents. So that was everything. It was the Persil, the all the makeup stuff, and then also 2 of the Tide. And then my second transaction was 2 more, or no, that was the Tide. Never mind, that was the Tide. And my second transaction was all of that stuff and the Tide, and that came to $9.12. I thought I'm gonna pay a pocket for this because I needed to start saving up more ECBs. I used $15 worth of ECBs, but I did receive 17 back. So that became $7.12. If you guys add all 3 transactions up, it came to $7.47. I got 15 items. That comes out to be 49 cents a piece. Yes, I will take this for 49 cents a piece. I totally forgot to add that I got $2 back in Savings Star. So that technically came to $5.47. And I have no idea what it would be after that. I just realized that. But yeah, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I've been just laundry wasted, but I hope you guys are too, and I'm excited to finally start getting shampoo and conditioner. So yes, I need to find more of these coupons. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I love sharing with you guys deals that I got at CVS and Walgreens every week. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all another time for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.